Downloading data from Monster 2025 can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Access the Monster 2025 platform. Open your web browser and navigate to the Monster 2025 website. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Locate the data section. Once logged in, look for the section of the website that contains the data you wish to download. This could be under tabs like Reports, Data, or Analytics. Step 3. Select the data you need. Browse through the available options and select the specific data set you want to download. Make sure to check any filters or settings to customize the data to your needs. Step 4. Choose the download format. After selecting the data, look for a download option. You may be prompted to choose a format for the download, such as CSV, Excel, or PDF. Select the format that best suits your requirements. Step 5. Initiate the download. Click on the download button to start the process. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically download to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location to save it. With these steps, you should be able to successfully download data from Monster 2025. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section of the website or contacting customer support for assistance.